Okay, Saurabh, let's proceed ahead with your HR mock for Engineers India Limited, and you're going for management training construction. So I start with your brief introduction, Saurabh.
So, my name is Saurabh Harishankar Yadav. I am from Mumbai and I have done my schooling in Mumbai and have done my bachelor's in engineering, in civil engineering from BPCL, and I'm in my final year currently. As a summer internship, I had done it in IGCAR Kalpakam in the summer of 2020, and I had my final year project on reliability based mix design for marble dust incorporated concrete. Yes.
Okay. And Saurabh, what did you learn there?
So, where, sir?
What did you learn there?
Sorry, are you in bits?
Yeah, in the training.
Training, yes, sir.
Training in Kalpakam, no?
Yes, sir, Kalpakam.
Okay. What did you learn there?
Yes, sir. It was a part of an academic requirement at the end of second year, and it was with the electronics division of IGCAR Kalpakam. And the task was basically that there in the integrated circuits market, there are a lot of counterfeit integrated circuits. So in order to recognize which are the used ones and which are the new ones, we use image processing techniques. So my job was there to create algorithms based on MATLAB on how can we distinguish between the integrated circuits which are new and which are refurbished and sold as new. And so I learned about how to operate MATLAB and what is the concept behind the counterfeit circuits.
Okay. And Saurabh, now what do you know about the construction, projects? Tell me something about the construction projects. How do you decide the duration? What are the, kind of specialty about construction projects?
Yes, sir. So in construction projects, if we compare it to some other projects, the thing is that every project is unique. There is no repetition as such. Even if we create two buildings of the same kind, there can be variations in soil conditions or any other parameters. And in construction, we have various stages. We have designing, the actual construction, and the commissioning. And these projects usually last for more than 2 years or 3 years. Or for mega projects, it may last even for a bit higher degree of timeline.
Okay. And what do you know about Engineers India Limited? And have you seen some kind of construction projects going on?
So, Engineers India Limited, as I know, is a consultancy company, and it is a number one in its field when it comes to oil and natural gas and fertilizers and other metallurgical industries. In the state where my college was located, in the state of Rajasthan, there's a refinery of Hindustan Petroleum Corporation being constructed in BARC, and EIL is the consultant for the same project. And even though I have not directly visited there, but I had heard a lot about it during my tenure in BPCL.
Okay. Okay, Saurabh, now tell me, what do you know about various phases of the projects? So, projects have different phases.
Yes, sir. First, we have the conceptualization phase where we decide where we have the bare idea of what we want to create. The second aspect is the designing, where we finalize on the designs, and the third stage is the engineering, where we make the architectural drawings into the structurally feasible designs. And the fourth one is the procurement stage and the construction stage, where we deal with various vendors in order to obtain the equipments and contact with contractors to complete the construction. And finally, it is the commissioning stage, where we complete all the remaining parts of the project.
So, Saurabh, why do you decide to join Engineers India Limited as organization?
Yes, sir. So, the thing is that in consultancy, we are exposed to a large number of projects, and there is a huge variety. Whereas if we join some company which is fixed to, let's say, construction part or some other parts of civil engineering, we do not get so much diversity. And EIL, as we know, is the number one consulting company, and also it is in fact a total solutions company, where at one point of time one may be involved in designing, and maybe in the other point of time one may be in project management or dealing with the vendors. So I think that this EIL will make me a complete engineer.
Okay, tell me your suitability for this job. Why you should be taken for this job?
Yes, sir. So I have the qualities of having teamwork, working in teams, and I also have problem solving skills. I am pretty punctual in time. So I believe that these qualities will help me to execute the projects in the given resources and in the given cost as well.
Okay, so Saurav, you are from BITS Pilani, right?
Yes, sir.
You must be getting opportunities through your campus placement also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, have you got some jobs so far?
No, sir, I didn't sit for campus placements because most of the jobs offered there were not of core engineering, and the ones which were of core engineering were not just sorry, sir, yes. So in campus placement, most of the jobs were not of the core engineering as such, and the ones which were there, they didn't have the diversity in the project. So I had made my mind that I will be entering into the public sector and especially companies like EIL. So that's why I didn't go for campus placements.
Okay. Okay, Saurav, let me give you the feedback of this part then. So, Saurav, see, your level is good. I mean, HR part is okay. Try to learn more and more about EIL and the project, kind of projects they are handling, and project management as a subject, please revise. Work next time we work on your strengths, weaknesses, your hobbies, and very personal details about you. Right, and at the same time keep updating yourself in the technical knowledge by having the snaps with the technical mentors also, right?